Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the world's first civilization. We are talking about Sumer or Sumerians. The world's first civilization arose in southeastern Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia lay within the Fertile Crescent between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, as you can see here in this map. The region's geography affected its people. Frequent flooding forced Sumerians to work together to protect homes and control water for irrigating farms. Although the region had rich soil, it lacked natural resources. Yet Sumerians built some of the world's first great cities using bricks from available clay and water. Sumerians also became traders along the rivers. Ancient Sumerian architecture. Sumerian cities. There were at least 12 cities such as Ur, Uruk, Kesh, Lagash. These city-states were centered around a temple for the city's god. These cities were surrounded by agriculture. One of the reasons that the Sumerian civilization was so advanced is because it had extensive trading networks on land and sea. Eventually, Sumer had 12 city-states which often battled over control of land and water, so people turned to war leaders for protection. Over time, this changed when war Over time, this changed when war leadership evolved into hereditary monarchy, in which a king or a queen exercises central power. Sumerian social order. Sumer had a social classification which is the division of society by rank or class. In the first class, kings, the second for priests, third for skilled crafts people or traders, number four or class number four for farmers, and five for slaves. Perhaps the Sumerians' greatest achievement was the invention of writing, beginning as simple pictographs by 3200 BC. Writing had developed into wedge-like symbols called cuneiform, like you can see here in this photo. Cuneiform could be used to record complex information. People now have access to knowledge beyond what they could remember, eventually conquering Akkadian, Babylonian, and Assyrian armies swept across the region. And here also you have another sample for the Sumerians writing. Besides creating a writing system, they developed basic astronomy and early mathematics. They created a number system based on six, which like setting up 60-minute hours and 360-degree circles. We still use this system today. Babylon. Babylonians expanded on Sumerian learning to develop basic algebra and geometry, to create accurate calendars, and to predict eclipses. Later, the Greeks and Romans built on Sumerian knowledge. Then they went on to influence all of Western civilization. Advances in Sumerian learning. First, developed cuneiform believed to be the earliest form of writing, developed basic algebra and geometry, made accurate calendars essential to a farming society, last, made the first wheeled vehicles. This is the end of our class. See you next time.